holding, okay? It almost feels like it got jammed. You know, this got squashed.
Yeah.
I almost want to go like here. And here, I'm going to pull it this way, okay? Yeah, I'm sorry. Too much? You okay?
No, it's okay.
Come back
Yeah.
up. Okay. It's at a funny little angle here. There you go. I'm going to hold. Got it in a corner. Good, excellent. Why Diego says I have 4 arms, Linnea, this is why. I grip with about everything I've got. Till I can't grip anymore. Okay, we're gonna do the other side. But that's pretty much how much that takes to fix that. This is not gonna fix that.
Yeah.
At this level.
Right.
I mean, it shouldn't, that doesn't mean to say that the massage should be painful.
Yeah.
It should feel like a good pain. Oh, this is the one I want right here. Okay. Well, it's jammed over here and kind of sprained on this side.
Okay.
So I'm going to tuck you under over here, okay? I'm going to have you look way up and kind of tuck it, yeah. There you go. You okay?
Yeah.
Breathe. Here, I'm just holding it in place. Right here. Excellent. Okay. Breathe. Let it go. The imaging done on the knee?
Yeah, a little while ago. It was more when I was growing a lot, a long time ago. When I was
11, 12?
Yeah.
Yeah, so you might need another one if it's really bugging you, okay?
Okay.
You've grown into that knee a little bit now.
Right.
I'm just gonna kind of move them just a tiny bit. Let me see what's going on. Does that hurt when I do that? Oh yeah, I feel that. Does that hurt?
No, it doesn't hurt.
When I do this?
No. Yeah.
Feels a little better?
Yeah.
Like when you turn.
Yeah. It feels like a lot more free.
Okay. I still have to work on that knee, so. So I feel tightness in here.
Yeah.
You know, this side moves just fine. We get to hear. Okay. A little bit of lower cross syndrome. Deep breath in. Oh, yeah. Perfect. Breathe. Yep, deep breath in. Good. Excellent. Breathe again. Good. Breathe. Doing okay?
Yes. A little more on this side.
On the left-hand side?
Yeah.
Right here. So like this one versus this one.
Yeah, that one's.
It's this one. Yeah. Okay. Here we go.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. I can feel when I pull on one, I can feel the resistance in the other one. So I'm like, oh, it's high. Okay. Yeah, because I'm just going to briefly do her low back. She's not really complaining of low back pain, but she does have like a little bitty one right here. Right there.
Yeah.
Doing okay?
Yep.
Okay, breathe. This is the deep one. And bounce. There you go. Here's the scraping, okay?
Yep.
That's all that is.
Yep.
Yeah, just kind of. The little rib. Okay. Is that okay?
Yep.
Okay. Just gonna hold pressure. There it goes. Okay. Breathe. You do okay?
Yep.
It's pretty knotted up here.
Yeah.
Okay. She's like, yeah, I know, I feel it. Okay, okay. Yep. Just can you relax them there,
Mhm.
okay?
Yep.
All right. Are you okay?
Yep.
Okay. Gonna get in this corner. Ooh, okay, breathe. I'm gonna push. There it goes. Oh. Good. It's okay if the hand just wanting to go.
Yeah.
It just lets me get underneath here.
Yep.
But you know, we'll get it down in a second here. I'm almost done. Okay, now you can place it down. Good. We go to the other side.
Okay.
Breathe. Here we go.
Okay.
Big knot here. Doing okay?
Yes.
These are rough. That's why I keep asking. I'm like, there you go. That's it. I can't quite get it. Okay. Keep it right there.
Mhm.
I'm gonna have to stand for this one. All right, breathe. Got it, you got it. I'm gonna reach here.
Mhm.
Perfect. Excellent.
Okay.
You did it. As long as it lets go. Okay.
Okay.
Doing good. Now, what I want you to do for this one is kind of come up like this and lift
Yep.
your head off of there and kind of go to the right.
Okay.
Yep, like kind of like that. I need you to, you don't have to go too far.
Okay.
Just to there. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah. That, I want to open this side up for you, okay? I'm going to be pushing you here. Here we go. I mean, I'm really taking you there, okay?
Yeah.
I'm really moving stuff around, so you let me know. That's it. push down. There we go. Yeah, just has it all in here. You okay? All right, almost there. Whew. Okay. All right. Take a break.
Okay.
I'm gonna come back to it in a little bit.
Okay.
Actually, let me do your neck.
While we're at it.
While we're here.
Yeah.
Yeah, let me do that real quickly.
Is there a lot of petechiae or anything?
In spots. It's not
Okay.
like it's really crazy or anything.
Okay.
It's just in like blotches here
Okay.
and there.
Mm-hmm.
If you had a photo shoot, I'd tell you to wait about a couple days. Tuck your chin for me. Look at the side. Ah. Okay. Relax, relax. Hold on one more time. Yeah, right short. Goes long. Okay. So is it back in here or is it to the side?
It's like in the back,
In the back? Of
Yeah.
Well, I feel that.
Yeah.
Is that where it hurts?
Mhm.
Oh.
Yeah, it's like in there.
Okay. Let's start with the calves, okay?
Okay.
I'm not getting anywhere. Let's start at the bottom. Oh, wait a second. There we go. Let me get the. Okay, I'm just gonna push down.
Okay.
Does that hurt too much?
Nope.
This is more of like what maybe you did at the physical therapy. The fibers are just lifted up.
Really?
Yeah, and it might be from the pronation in the foot. I couldn't really say I have pronation and I don't have this. You know, it's
Okay.
might be from the skiing. I'd have to see. This leg feels great.
Yeah.
Yeah, it is just really pulling your back hamstring here. That.
Yeah.
And when I bent your knee earlier, this is what fired.
Yep, I can feel that.
Okay, and that's your hamstring. I'm going to go up your leg and kind of show you.
Okay.
It's this muscle here. Oh, it's tight here. And it inserts right here at your glute.
Okay.
Right there.
Mm-hmm.
It feels like it's been lifted off.
Okay.
So the only way I can do is to put pressure here
Yep.
and put pressure here.
Okay.
So again, same kind of thing with your neck where we were here.
Yep.
I got to put pressure here.
Okay.
I'm basically just holding it down. Be okay with that?
Yep.
I want to walk out first. We gotta get some blood in there.
Okay.
It's cold. I gotta get some blood in there though. I'm gonna push up
Okay.
right there. Is that also sore?
It was more when you went down. That's not
Down in
so-
here. Down here. Okay. Then maybe it's not too bad up here then. Anything sore here?
Just a little,
But nothing major?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm just checking the whole length of it.
Mhm.
See, I don't really feel too much here. Nope, just right here. Can I just push this like knee out to the side?
Yep.
I'm gonna hit you with, yeah, I don't wanna
Okay.
hit you with the bar. Now I can get you. This handle was gonna,
Yep.
now I can get in there. There we go. Anything going numb? Are you all right?
Nope, nothing's done.
This one's gonna be a hard one to get yourself.
Yeah.
Huh. All right, you're back. Now, here's the low back. It's not that exciting.
Okay. Yeah.
Okay, the mid back is where you bruised.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yep.
that's it. Just kind of right there.
Okay. Yeah. Not bad.
What I need to do now.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
She's like, oh, I saved it for last. Okay. You were just kind of like, at the beginning. I'm like,
Yeah.
probably should leave that after she trusts me a little bit. All right. So we're going to go into here, okay? Just kind of, whoo-wee. There you go. All right. Gonna hold here, okay? All right. I know. Ooh, this is that bottom piece.
Mm-hmm.
I am gonna be kind of in your Shetland area, but I gotta get in here. Just kind of tack it down. And pull it back. If I can get on top of it. Right there. Okay?
Mhm.
Oh. That is a knot. My muscles like trying to stay on top of it. Is this okay?
Yeah.
Like kind of blade it here. That's it. There it goes. It'll eventually go.
Yeah.
Hopefully. This one needs to be pushed this way. Okay. There you go. Just gonna hold it like that, okay?
Mm-hmm.
Kind of lean into me a little bit so I can get there. Now you can relax. Ooh, it's like jumping so hard I'm bouncing. Look. Oh, okay, okay. Come on, little Nick. There you go. That's it. Here we go again. Let's see if it won't lie flat. There you go. That's it. It's kind of like this whole side fights me though.
Yeah.
I'll get them down into here. I'm gonna reach across.
Mhm.
Chin. Okay. Sit back. I'll push here. There it goes.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I was like, oh. Okay, good. Whew. All right. Hands on your hips for me.
Okay.
Like this. Yep. Now I'm going to see if I can't get the shoulders to move. Elbow back. Just push your elbow into mine. Good. Relax here. Oh. Okay. Lean away. Ooh, I got it. Never mind.
Okay.
It kind of like,
Yeah.
it went good. Same thing. Sit up as straight as you can. Yeah, I'm gonna bring this forward. Good. Now elbow back. Harder. Go. There you go. Like, go. You gotta. I don't want to. I know. Whenever I do it, I'm like, ah. They do it to me. I'm like, just, do it. I know. I make the worst patient. I'm the worst patient when he works on me. I'm like,
Oh, yeah.
yeah. You guys are so trusting.
She really trusted you.
Well, I mean, it lets me do my job,
Uh-huh.
but it's actually worse when it's like me and I'm like, oh,
Yeah.
because I'm like, know. I need to just trust him.
Trust issues.
I have trust issues. Everybody. What happened to you, Dr. Mondra? All right. Dude, this hand was a little. Damn. What are you left-handed?
No.
So like.
Really?
Are you, no, I don't know. I can't find an excuse for it. But I really had to like.
Yeah.
Okay. On your side facing me, we're gonna do the pelvis here.
Okay.
Good. Perfect. Oh, feels good. That's it. Other side.
Okay.
Perfect. Good. Bottom leg straight for me. Yep. Perfect.
Perfect. Yeah, that was really good.
Yeah. I was like, one more. Yeah. Yeah. Good. No, nothing there. We had a couple piercings. Hold on. No. Feels good.
Mm.
Is this the one you wanted to get, Linnea? One up here?
Yeah.
How hard was that one to heal?
Oh, it was really hard to heal. It took a couple years for that to heal. Yeah.
Yeah. It gets knocked, right?
Yeah, and when you get your hair done and the hairbrush, when you like lay on her,
Yeah.
it looks cool when it's healed.
It does look cool. The things we do for beauty.
Right.
Lean away. Ooh,
Mm.
that was the crunchy one.
Yeah.
Okay. No. It's called the maxillary sinus. Feel like a little hole.
Mhm.
You feel like a little pocket, like a little,
Yeah.
like that.
Okay.
Okay, so you can take like one of those massagers,
Mhm.
like facial massagers,
Yeah.
and just kind of, I'm gonna push you against my chest here,
Mhm.
right there. Yours are almost like a little teardrop shaped. Usually they're like a hole.
Yeah.
Yours are like more like that.
Oh, okay.
I don't know, it's just the way it's angled. So maybe you push here. 5, give you a break. And again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. You can put your head against the wall,
Okay.
take the palm,
Mhm.
and you're kind of doing a U.
Okay.
You're gonna be coming here. So
Okay.
away from midline.
Okay.
You'll have a video anyway, but
Mhm.
still. It's kind of the opposite when you're doing it to yourself. You're kind of doing this.
Okay. Yeah.
Like 1, 2, 3 to 10. You put your head against the wall to 10.
Okay.
Or you can vibrate. And that breaks up the congestion in the face.
Okay.
We don't realize how much fluid is in the skull.
Right.
There's so much. Just kind of like that.
Mhm.
You should be able to breathe a little better.
Yeah. That's crazy.
That's what you do with those.
Wow.
Okay.
Mhm.
Other one is you can pull. I know I've messed up your whole hair.
It's okay.
But you can take the eyebrow and kind of wiggle like this.
Mhm.
Take it away, like kind of pull it away. Not too hard. There's a nerve right here. And you wiggle
Okay.
and wiggle and wiggle. And that releases this nerve
Okay.
that feeds your nose. It goes down into the nose.
Mhm.
You can kind of get it like, do you feel it kind of like here?
Yeah.
There's like you can kind of reach it here,
Mhm.
but it's the same nerve up here.
Okay.
So I come up here and I pull this one. Okay?
Mhm.
You can always just push. Sometimes they just do straight pressure. When in doubt, just push straight back.
Okay.
Like that. Okay?
Mhm.
Those are the two things for the sinuses.
Okay. I feel good.
You feel good?
Yeah.
Like you could do a handstand?
I'm not gonna ruin anything.